Oil and gas stakeholders from the public and private sector converged at Makerere University for an oil and gas symposium. The event was geared at bridging the information gap in Uganda's nascent oil and gas industry.
Also related to agriculture, the oil companies also implementing what we call an agriculture development program, where different value chains have been identified, like piggery, rice farming, vegetables, and local communities are being helped to meet the standards, but also look for markets even beyond the oil and gas sector.
Mandates and roles of the key sector players and the status of the project implementation were highlighted.
We need roughly 5 meters of the 30 meters is to store the topsoil, where we can then put it back when the construction activities are finished. And because we keep the same topsoil that was there in the first place, then the indigenous vegetation it can grow back, and so a pipeline is, in my opinion, a low impact environmental activity.
There's a lot of coordination between several government actors. These are simply government agencies that are down there and they're doing a lot of work. There are management tools that are being developed, including the National Spill Contingency Plan and regulations. All these are these are laws that have been developed in terms of environment, simply targeting the oil and gas sector as well.
Having a conversation with students is seen as critical in interesting them in the project, which has an immense job and business opportunities, in addition to keeping them abreast with the project development. According to the General Manager, Total Energies Uganda, Uganda's oil and gas project makes more sense today than it will make 20 years later.
Local companies, we need to help them, of course, to help them understand what is the level of expectation, and we should not use that to discard them and saying they cannot compete, but it's a bit like what we do in safety. When you say that the safety performance and safety awareness is not at the level, okay, we still sign the contract, but we put more supervision, we help them to develop.
The Total CEO is confident the resources from the sector will have a snowball effect and open up unlimited opportunities, especially for the youthful Ugandans.
We as students and the youth have been encouraged to look out for opportunities from the contractors and the operator companies. There are also various opportunities for local companies from Uganda to actively participate within the industry.
Dennis Igoa and Juman Samba for UBC Business.